Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at 7 motorcycles you can buy and never stress about repairs again. Number 7. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is the kind of motorcycle you purchase once and keep for a lifetime, and not just because it looks great parked anywhere you put it. With a price comfortably sitting under $7,000, it delivers cruiser styling, trusted branding, and long-term peace of mind without putting a dent in your wallet. Designed to last well beyond 70,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance, the Rebel 500 is known across the United States for its rock-solid reliability. Beneath the tank, Honda fits a smooth, liquid-cooled 500cc parallel twin engine that feels refined and silky. It produces enough low-end torque to make city cruising effortless while remaining surprisingly capable on the highway, especially considering its size. Even better, this engine has a long-standing reputation for dependability that few competitors in the segment can match. There's no engine drama, no messy repairs, just steady performance year after year. Whether you're commuting daily or carving out weekend escapes, service costs stay low, replacement parts are easy to find and affordable, and the maintenance schedule is forgiving. Since it sips fuel instead of guzzling it, you'll spend less time stopping for gas and more time enjoying the open road. It's the type of motorcycle mechanics often praise simply because it rarely comes back with problems. Overall, the Honda Rebel 500 doesn't just provide an affordable entry into cruiser ownership, it delivers a stress-free experience that holds up well over the long run. Number 6. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a middleweight cruiser that keeps delivering mile after mile, year after year, without draining your bank account. Priced around $9,000 new, it offers a full-size cruiser feel without the headaches that usually come with heavier machines. Riders across the country routinely report these bikes crossing the 80,000-mile mark with minimal issues, and that's with standard maintenance, not pampered garage queen treatment. Powering the Vulcan 900 is a fuel-injected 900cc V-twin engine that's both smooth and torquey, making city riding effortless and highway cruising stable and confident. It's not built to rip up the pavement, it's engineered for comfort, control, and confidence. Most importantly, it doesn't crack under pressure. Kawasaki nailed this engine design, keeping it cool, clean, and consistent year after year. No overheating fits, no gearbox surprises, just dependable low-end grunt backed by a calm, durable core. Repairs are rare, and maintenance stays basic and affordable, whether it's oil changes, brakes, or belts. The Vulcan 900 won't have you taking out a second mortgage. Parts are easy to find and usually cheaper than expected for a cruiser of this size. Combine that with solid build quality, and you get a machine that doesn't just look like a long-haul warrior, it truly rides like one. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a smart long-term investment, built for American roads, made for riders who prefer simplicity, and engineered to stay out of the repair shop. Number 5. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 blends classic cruiser styling with modern reliability. And that's more than just marketing talk. It's backed by thousands of American riders who have already put it through real-world testing. With a price tag just under $7,000, it stands out as one of the most affordable midweight cruisers that doesn't compromise on build quality or ride experience. Here's the real highlight. It's built to go the distance. Many owners are already clocking over 50,000 miles with minimal wear, and this bike is still just getting started. At its core sits a 650cc air oil-cooled parallel twin engine, perfectly tuned for smooth, relaxed cruising. It's the same engine that earned widespread praise in the Interceptor and Continental GT for its durability, ease of maintenance, and quiet competence. It doesn't rattle or strain. It simply performs consistently in every gear. Unlike older Enfields, this one doesn't leak or leave riders stranded on the roadside. Built to global quality standards, it shows its refinement with every mile. Keeping it running is refreshingly affordable. Oil changes and basic servicing cost far less than you'd expect for a cruiser in this class, and parts are now widely available across the US. Overall, the Super Meteor 650 represents the perfect blend of timeless design and modern engineering, making it a rare and dependable choice in an overcomplicated motorcycle. E-World. Number 4. Kawasaki vs 650. The Kawasaki vs 650 defines what reliable versatility really means. Whether it's daily commuting, weekend canyon carving, or long-distance adventures, this bike takes everything in stride without asking much in return. With pricing around $9,000, it delivers adventure bike practicality at a value that punches well above its weight. At the heart of the Versus is Kawasaki's proven 650cc parallel twin engine, a true workhorse that has stood the test of time. It produces strong low and mid-range torque for confident highway riding, while staying smooth and manageable in city traffic. What truly sets the Versus apart is how low effort it is to own. Routine maintenance like oil changes, chain adjustments, and brake pads is straightforward and affordable, and major problems are rare. This is a motorcycle that simply refuses to let you down, even when pushed hard. Being a Kawasaki, parts are widely available across the US and rarely expensive. Overall, the Versus 650 is the type of bike that grows on you because it works every single time. It's practical, dependable, and built with reliability that makes it an easy choice if you want to ride hard without worrying about service time. Number 3. Yamaha Bolt. The Yamaha Bolt is a rare cruiser that blends rugged character with a level of reliability that mechanics quietly respect. With pricing just over $8,000, it delivers authentic cruiser vibes without dragging you into high ownership costs. What makes it truly special is its longevity. Owners regularly report the Bolt surpassing 70,000 miles with little more than oil changes, basic servicing, and tire replacements. Power comes from a 950cc air-cooled V-twin that delivers torque right where you want it. It's not about speed, it's about feel, and Yamaha nailed it. The engine is simple, ultra-reliable, and free from the complex technology that often causes issues in modern bikes. Maintenance is minimal. Parts are easy to find across the US, and nothing about the Bolt screams expensive repairs. You won't be hunting down specialty shops or rare components. It's just oil, tires, and ride. No digital headaches, no unexpected repair bills. Overall, the Yamaha Bolt lives up to its name not through speed, but by locking down everything that matters most in ownership. Dependable, durable, and endlessly rideable. It's the kind of bike that earns trust 1 mile at a time and never lets you down. Number 2. Moto Guzzi V7 Special. The Moto Guzzi V7 Special is a true modern classic that's built to last, not just look timeless. Priced just under $10,000, this Italian machine offers more than charm, it delivers impressive reliability. With proper maintenance, US riders report reaching 60,000 to 70,000 miles without major mechanical issues, which is no small achievement for a retro-styled roadster. Its heart is a shaft-driven 850cc transverse V-twin, famous for its unique layout and long-term dependability. Air-cooled and torque-focused, the engine is tuned for everyday riding rather than high-rev drama. It pulls smoothly, feels planted, and keeps maintenance simple. Despite its European roots, upkeep is surprisingly affordable, with parts readily available through Piaggio's dealer network and annual service costs typically staying under $400. The V7 doesn't suffer from electrical tantrums or complicated diagnostics. It has character without sacrificing reliability. Overall, the Moto Guzzi V7 Special is a soulful daily rider that refuses to compromise on durability. Number 1. Yamaha 5-Star 250. The Yamaha 5-Star 250 proves you don't need a big engine or a big budget to own a motorcycle that just won't quit. Priced around $5,000 new, it's one of the most affordable cruisers in the US, but low price doesn't mean low quality. This small displacement cruiser is legendary for surpassing 60,000 miles with per care. It's powered by a 249cc air-cooled V-twin, yes, a V-twin, in a 250. The engine is smooth, lightweight, and incredibly easy to maintain. There are no complex electronics or liquid cooling systems, just old-school reliability. Maintenance costs are nearly non-existent, parts are cheap and easy to find, insurance rates are low, and the bike rarely sees the inside of a shop beyond routine service. Overall, the 5-Star 250 offers maximum value with minimal stress. If your goal is reliable riding with rock-bottom ownership costs, this little V-twin is about as bulletproof as it gets. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content.